Hi students, Mrs. Bloom here. We are on the end of our grit. This is day, actually I don't even know what day it is. We'll have to calculate it later. But we are on the last day of the fourth step. So we did 7 days on this last grit, and now the only thing we have left to do is rinse it and measure out some Gemfoam to go in back inside of it for 3 more days, and then we're done. So I'm going to hurry and take this apart and rinse off our rocks, and we'll see what we have left over. So let's get this on here. Pull the top off really quick. Of course it's dirty. Get our bowl out. Pour all the rocks inside. Okay, we probably want to rinse out our tumbler a little bit so we can get all of that grit out of there. Okay. Okay, there's a little bit more in there. I'm going to grab a rag and wipe that out a little bit. Okay. There we go. Looks pretty clean. Okay, now we're going to rinse off our rocks really quickly. And it says that we're supposed to set them in a little pile. Just shake them off. We're going to put them in a little pile right here and see how many we have. Okay, so we got a pile about this big. About 2 hands full. They look pretty amazing though, don't they? Awesome. Now we're going to get our Gemfoam out and we're going to pile that up. I'm going to just kind of eyeball it and say, hey, this Gemfoam and this pile of rocks, they feel about the same. So I'm pretty sure we're going to use all of the Gemfoam because we need to have an equal pile. So we're going to take our rocks, put them back inside our tumbler, and we're going to cover them with water. They don't fill up very much. There's not very many in there now. It's quite far down at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that very well. Hold it up there. And we're going to go ahead and pour water over our rocks. Don't need a lot. And pour our Gemfoam in there. Doo-doo-doo. And that's all of it. Okay, we're going to put our top back on here. That's what it looks like with the foam inside. Make sure our top is wiped off. All that grit off of there. Put this back on. Put our lid back on. I'm so excited. So in 3 days, we'll pull those out, add a little bit of mineral oil to them to make them look shiny, and then we'll be done. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on here. Sounds different with the Gemfoam in there. Okay, we're going to set this for 3 days. Speed 1. And push play. 3 more days. Speed 1. We'll show you what they look like in a couple of days. Thank you.